Oh, nice. What's the name of this building?
8220 Westchester.
Let's switch sides.
What do you think of this hand?
Oh, this is amazing. It's a little bit spacey in here. Cool.
I think this is the light switch right here.
Oh, nice.
And it doesn't work.
Cool.
No, it's not level with the floor right.
No,
This
it
is a
has.
single speed bottom drive traction. I'm gonna get my stuff out. The down doesn't work. There's no basement.
I was wondering why there was a down button. It's just there for decoration.
Yeah, it is. What happened is that they just replaced the Colton with something like this. I think this is the only option that they choose to offer. They didn't have like any other type of design than this. Either that or they just didn't have a choice. I don't know.
All right, and that's it.